Not all side hustles are created equal. Some pay $10 an hour, others can pull in $60 an hour or more. I analyzed data from thousands of real people doing these side hustles in 2026, and the results might surprise you. Let's break down what actually pays. Here's the problem with most side hustle advice. It's either outdated or just plain wrong. So I dug into the actual data, earnings reports, Reddit communities, surveys, and expert analysis to find out what really works in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which side hustles have the best earning potential, which ones are overhyped, and most importantly, which one matches your skills and situation. I'm ranking these from lowest to highest earning potential based on real-world data. Let's start with number 7. Starting at number 7, print on demand. This is where you design products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and companies like Printify or Printful handle the printing and shipping when someone buys. According to Etsy seller surveys and income reports, the average new print-on-demand seller makes around $300 to $500 in their first 3 months. That sounds decent, right? But here's the catch. Most sellers report spending 20 to 40 hours just on setup and initial designs. That works out to roughly $10 to $15 per hour, and that's only if you hit the average. Only about 30% of print-on-demand sellers make consistent sales after 6 months. This can work if you have design skills or a niche audience already. But if you're starting from zero, you're competing with millions of established sellers. Best for graphic designers or creators with an existing audience to market to. Rating: 6 out of 10. Passive income potential, but oversaturated market. Number 6 is freelance writing. We're talking blog posts, website copy, email newsletters, basically content that businesses need constantly. Upwork and Fiverr data shows that new freelance writers average $15 to $25 per hour in their first few months. According to a 2025 Payoneer survey, beginner freelance writers earn around $800 to $1,200 in their first 3 months. The startup challenge. Here's what most people don't tell you. The first 4 to 6 weeks are brutal. You're bidding against established writers and competing with people from countries with lower costs of living who can charge less. However, once you get 5 to 10 positive reviews, your earning potential jumps significantly. Writers with solid portfolios report earning $30 to $75 per hour. The math. If you're decent at writing and can meet deadlines, you're looking at 40 to 50 hours of work to make that $800 to $1,200 in the first quarter. That's about $20 per hour average. Best for people who enjoy writing, have decent grammar skills, and patience to build their reputation. Rating: 7 out of 10. Proven model, but steep initial learning curve. Number 5, reselling or flipping items. This means buying undervalued items from thrift stores, estate sales, or garage sales and reselling them on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Mercari. According to reseller communities on Reddit and YouTube, successful flippers average $1,000 to $1,500 profit per month, working primarily on weekends. Data from eBay sellers shows the most profitable categories are vintage electronics, brand name clothing, collectibles, and retro video games. Some flippers report 200 to 400% profit margins. One reseller documented buying a vintage Nintendo console for $15 and selling it for $120. Another found designer jeans at Goodwill for $8 and sold them for $65. You need startup capital. Most successful resellers recommend starting with $200 to $500 to buy inventory. You also need storage space. The biggest challenge is knowing what's valuable, but there are free resources. Reseller YouTube channels, eBay sold listings, and Facebook groups where experienced flippers share knowledge. Best for people who enjoy treasure hunting, have some startup capital, and storage space. Rating: 8 out of 10. Proven profit model with relatively low barriers to entry. Number 4 is one of the easiest entries on this list. User testing websites and apps. Companies pay you to test their websites and record yourself giving feedback. According to user testing platforms like User Testing, Try My UI, and Userlytics, most testers complete 40 to 60 tests in their first 3 months, earning $400 to $600 total. How it works: each test takes 15 to 20 minutes. You navigate a website while speaking your thoughts out loud. Most tests pay $10, but specialized tests for specific demographics can pay $30 to $60. Tests aren't always available. You might get 5 to 6 tests one week and only one the next. It's supplemental income, not a full-time replacement. You need a computer, decent microphone, and stable internet. Most platforms have a short qualification test you need to pass first. This is legitimately the easiest money you can make online. 0 specialized skills required. You literally just browse websites and share your opinions. It's not scalable. You can't make $5,000 per month doing this because there's a ceiling on available tests. Best for anyone wanting easy supplemental income with 0 commitment or specialized skills. Rating: 7.5 out of 10. Extremely easy, but limited earning potential. Number 3, virtual assistants. This involves helping businesses with administrative tasks like email management, scheduling, data entry, social media, and customer service. According to platforms like Belay, Fancy Hands, and Time, etc., new virtual assistants average $20 to $25 per hour starting out. With 60 to 80 hours of work over 3 months, that's $1,800 to $2,500. What's interesting is that VAs often increase their rates quickly. Data shows that after 6 months of experience, many VAs charge $30 to $50 per hour. Typical tasks include managing calendars, responding to emails, basic research, scheduling appointments, light social media posting, and data entry. Nothing super technical. You need to be organized, communicative, and reliable. Basic computer skills and familiarity with tools like Google Workspace, Calendly, and Zoom. You're trading time for money, so it's not passive, but you often get to choose your hours, and you can work from anywhere. Many VAs report building long-term client relationships that lead to steady, predictable income. Best for organized, detail-oriented people with good communication skills. Rating: 8 out of 10. Reliable income with room for growth. Number 2, faceless content creation on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Think motivational content, finance tips, interesting facts, or niche educational content. According to TikTok Creator Fund reports and creator surveys, accounts that reach 100,000 followers typically earn $1,500 to $3,000 monthly from the Creator Fund, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. Here's the reality. Most successful faceless accounts report taking 3 to 6 months to reach monetization thresholds. You need 10,000 followers on TikTok, 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Unlike other side hustles, this creates assets. Your videos work for you 24/7. One viral video can generate income for months. Successful faceless creators focus on specific niches like finance tips, productivity hacks, psychology facts, or historical stories. They use stock footage, text overlays, AI voiceovers, and tools like CapCut or Canva. There are accounts with millions of followers showing Stoic philosophy quotes over nature footage, or money-saving tips over stock images. Some creators report making $5,000 to $10,000 monthly once established. The first 2 to 3 months typically produce 0 income. It requires consistency, posting 1 to 3 times daily, and patience. You're competing with millions of accounts. Best for Creative people willing to play the long game and commit to daily posting. Rating: 9 out of 10 for long-term potential, 6 out of 10 for immediate returns. And the number one highest earning side hustle based on the data? Local service businesses. We're talking pressure washing, lawn care, window cleaning, gutter cleaning, junk removal, handyman services, or pet care. According to small business surveys and local service marketplaces, people running weekend service businesses average $3,000 to $5,000 monthly profit. Some examples: pressure washing, $150 to $250 per job, 2 to 3 hours of work. Lawn care, $40 to $60 per lawn, 30 to 45 minutes. Window cleaning, $100 to $200 per house, 1 to 2 hours. Pet sitting, $30 to $50 per day per pet. Why this works so well? 1. High hourly rate. Most services translate to $40 to $70 per hour after expenses. 2. Low competition. Unlike online hustles with global competition, you're only competing with local providers. 3. Quick start. You can launch this weekend. Post on Facebook Marketplace, Nextdoor, and local Facebook groups. 4. Low startup costs. Most services need $200 to $500 in equipment to start. 5. Word-of-mouth growth. Happy customers refer friends and neighbors. One service provider documented going from 2 clients to 25 regular clients in 6 months, all from referrals. A college student started pressure washing driveways on weekends, charged $150 per driveway, took 2 hours including drive time. Did 8 driveways per weekend equals $1,200 weekly, equals $4,800 monthly. It's physical work. You need basic equipment. Some services are weather dependent. Best for anyone willing to do physical work who has a vehicle and basic tools. Rating: 10 out of 10. Highest earnings, lowest barriers, proven business model. Here's a bonus strategy that smart side hustlers use: the income diversification approach. Instead of putting all your effort into one side hustle, successful earners often combine 2 to 3 that serve different purposes. The 3-tier strategy. Tier 1, quick cash. Something like user testing or virtual assistance that pays fast and consistently. This covers immediate expenses. Tier 2, scalable income. Content creation or print on demand that builds over time. This creates long-term assets. Tier 3, high-earning active. Local services or reselling that pays well per hour. This maximizes earnings when you have time. According to side hustle surveys, people with multiple income streams report 40% higher total earnings than those focusing on just one. So there you have it, 7 side hustles ranked by real earnings data. Here's my recommendation. If you want easy money now, start with user testing. If you want the highest earnings, go with local services like pressure washing or lawn care. If you want long-term scalable income, build a faceless content account. My challenge to you: pick one from this list and research it deeper this week. Look up tutorials, join Reddit communities for that side hustle, and take action. Comment below which one you're choosing, and let me know if you want me to create a detailed step-by-step tutorial on any of these. If you found this data helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want more research-backed finance content. I'll see you in the next one.